Welcome to PlantznMore. Join us today as we embark on a journey to health, vitality, and sustainability through a plant-based diet. Whether you're a seasoned vegan or simply plant-curious, our tips are tailored for everyone. Tip 1. Understand your why. What's your driving force? Health, environment, ethics? Clarifying your reason will fortify your commitment to this lifestyle. Tip 2. Start slow. Transitioning to a plant-based diet doesn't happen overnight. Begin by adding a variety of fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains to your diet. Tip 3. Learn to read labels. Vegan doesn't always mean healthy. Focus on whole foods and minimally processed ingredients for optimal nutrition. Tip 4. Find your go-to recipes. Build a collection of simple and tasty plant-based recipes. This will make your dietary transition smoother and more enjoyable. Tip 5. Connect with a community. Whether it's online or in real life, a community of like-minded individuals can offer immense support, inspiration, and shared experiences.